Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video we're going to be doing something very simple but very important. Now you notice that in our task app we don't have a date. It is actually very good to have a date so that you can keep track of the task for that day, right? Tasks that you've added for that day. Now, so it's very simple. What we need to do, we need to go to our database and go to structure. Then we click on add one after status. Go. So we can name that date. Then we come here under type. We'll say date. We'll select timestamp. Default current timestamp. And then we save. Now the next thing we need to do is to come to our code editor. So for after status, we'll name this date. Equal $dates. Sorry, equal $date. We'll also be fetching the row date. Okay, and then also we'll be adding after status, we'll be adding dates. Now if we refresh this place here, we're going to have an error because we don't have okay, let's see first. Okay, yes, okay, this is because we expected to have the current timestamp. Now this is showing the current time on my PC, right? So it means we might have to change this date to date. So this is 46. So let's add one more and see. Testing date. Let's save it. Okay, as you can see, it's 47. It's different from all these ones. These ones are taking the current time because there was no date initially. But going forward, they're going to take the date and the time at which you added the task. So one more thing we need to do, we need to make this look beautiful, so that, or let's say readable. We need to make it readable. So that has to do with our date, our date settings. So the first thing we need to do is we need to come here and say echo dates, but this time we're using the date function, and then the date function comes with some values f, j, y. Then we say string to time. So string to time is a function that helps you convert a text to a time value. We have so many. We have string to time, string to text. We have different functions as such. So string to time, and then the next thing we need to do is to open parentheses, and then we can now echo $date. So let us save that and let's see what the outcome is. So we can see it's now clearer. February 25. But this is different because the timing is different. But at the end of the day, we will prefer to have a date to know when that task was added